For the first step, we're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Then we're going to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. Once we're on this, we're going to type in sfc /scan now and click on enter. You want to run this scan. You can run it in the background as you do the other steps in this video. For the second step, we're going to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. Once we're on this, we're going to expand network adapters. And then you want to either look for your wireless Wi-Fi or your Ethernet cable. This is my Ethernet cable here. I'm not using wireless, but I'm going to put something on the screen right now. You want to look for something that is similar to this. You might have that. So once you find that, you want to right click on it and then click on update driver. You want to click on browse my computer for drivers and then click on let me pick from a list. And then you want to install the second one that comes up. Click on next and then see if that works. If there are also any more that will come up, you want to try to install all of them and then see if this works. If that's still not working, you want to head over to search and then type in network reset. Click on it. Once you're on it, you want to click on reset now and then click on yes. Once you complete everything in this video, restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.